Hi, this is Len Edgerly from South by Southwest for the Kindle Chronicles. You know, I've been coming to South by Southwest for a good number of years now, and one of the things that I love the most is the random encounters that are possible here. There's, tens of thousands of people spread all over the city attending all these workshops and on topics. AI is big, and I'm always sort of heading for one thing or another. Well, today I had my Vision Pro headset on, and I was trying to get into a session with Amy Webb. I never actually got in. Ballroom D was maxed out with 1,800 people there. So I was kind of, feeling a little sad that I had missed out on that. But as I was heading up the escalator or near the escalator, a young woman asked me about the Vision Pro. And so I explained I really like it, and it's wonderful. She's very interested in it. It turns out she was a volunteer, that lots of volunteers help make South by Southwest happen. And she's a PhD student at the University of Texas. Her name is Gabriela Renta-Lopez. And just a bundle of energy and intelligence. And I said, gee, could I talk to you? Because in my mind, I'm thinking this is an example of the kinds of things that I love about South by Southwest. So here's a little bit of the conversation that we had next to the escalator there, in between other things that I was doing. And I'm pretty sure that what I'm going to remember in 2024, in addition to some of the sessions I went to today and a couple of other interviews, I'm going to remember Gabriela. And when I think of what she's trying to do to improve medical care in Puerto Rico, and how hard she's worked to get this far to enter a PhD program and what she's doing, how can you be pessimistic about a place that, I don't know, has this kind of talent to draw on? And then at an event like South by Southwest, people meet each other and they connect. And anyway, you'll hear, I hope you'll catch why this was probably the most meaningful thing that happened to me today, and that's why I wanted to put it up before I get some sleep and head back to South by in the morning.
I plan to have my own company in the future, so I plan build that connection that I can leverage for the future for my ideas and everything that I want to do. So and just learn a lot. I have been learning a lot.
Yeah.
In one day, I met people from all over the world, like New Zealand, Australia, Japan, Netherlands, Norway. It's amazing. I've never thought I would meet so many people, international people. That's been wild, really wild. I have a vision to revolutionize healthcare. I feel like we should have a really good healthcare access for all. We don't have that right now, and I hope to bring that back to Puerto Rico too, and have uplift what we have right now in the healthcare system that is literally broken down. Literally, we have one doctor for 5,000 people, and it's So I'm just trying to basically fix that.
How old are you?
I'm 27.
27. I'm 73. So
What?
by the time you're my age, you will have fixed it, I'm sure.
I hope, literally, that's my vision in the future. So I hope I'll get to do that.
That's good. Nice talking with you.
It was nice
Thank you
meeting
very
you.
much. So that's Gabriela Renta-Lopez from Puerto Rico, who has big plans for how she's going to put her excellent education at UT to work in the future. Really a privilege to meet her.